Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Muscletech Hydroxycut. Start by carefully reading the entire product label to understand its specific instructions and warnings. It's crucial to begin with a low dosage, typically 1 capsule, to assess your individual tolerance before increasing. This helps your body adjust and minimizes potential side effects, ensuring a safer experience as you incorporate it into your routine. For optimal results, take 2 capsules with a glass of water, ideally 30 to 60 minutes before your 2 largest meals. It's important not to exceed 2 capsules per dose or 4 capsules in a 24-hour period. Avoid taking Hydroxycut within 5 hours of bedtime to prevent sleep disruption. Consistency is key, so try to stick to a regular schedule. While using Hydroxycut, ensure you drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to stay hydrated. For best results, integrate it with a healthy, reduced-calorie diet and a consistent exercise program. Remember, supplements are not a magic solution. They support your efforts. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you have existing health concerns. To maximize your results, use Hydroxycut for 8 to 12 weeks, followed by a break period of at least 2 weeks. This cycling helps prevent your body from adapting too much. Pay close attention to how your body responds and adjust your diet and exercise accordingly. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the link in the description below. Remember, a holistic approach to health is always the most effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.